Starting your YouTube journey in 2025 doesn't require a massive budget, just a few essentials. For cameras, your smartphone is a great starting point, but if you're ready to upgrade, options like the Canon EOS M50 Mark II or Sony ZV-E10 deliver incredible quality without breaking the bank. Don't overlook sound. Audio is key. Lavalier mics are perfect for vlogs. USB mics like the Blue Yeti are great for voiceovers, and shotgun mics handle outdoor shoots like a pro. Lighting is equally important. Affordable ring lights, soft box lights, or even natural light from a window can make your videos pop. Editing is where it all comes together, with beginner-friendly tools like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve, and advanced options like Adobe Premiere Pro as you grow. And don't forget the extras: a sturdy tripod, fast SD cards, and a reliable external storage make your workflow smooth and professional. Start with what you have and upgrade as you grow. What matters most is getting started. Remember, the most important thing is to start. You don't need everything perfect from day one. Focus on creating content that you're passionate about and improve as you go. Your YouTube journey is just beginning. Good luck and have fun with it.